Hey, how's it going? So this is an update on the BMW X1 that I'd a little project that I'd fixed up. It's actually passed the pits and got the registration plate on it now. So let's turn this gimbal around and then we'll have a quick look around it. You can see the fender that I put on as well. So this is it. I'll start at the front where the fender was. So the front damage, it was on the driver's side, on the right side. So I got that fender for it from like I did on the update video, and it was actually, luckily, it was the same colour, exactly the same colour code. So, and it's really good condition. There's no scratches or dents on it or anything like that, and it actually fitted well. All the gaps are pretty okay. They're not perfect, not 100% perfect, but they look the same as the other side anyway. So you can see, yeah, it's fitted well. And then I got that plastic trim with it as well that goes around the wheel arch. Like I said, the damage had this, the bonnet had this little bit of damage in it. So it was just where the other fender had like pushed up, and it had actually pushed this, like bent it a bit. But I knocked it out with like a rubber mallet, and it's been all right. So it's not perfect, but it's a 16-year-old car, so you've got to expect to have some knocks on it. The wheels, I cleaned all the wheels up, they come up really well. That dent at the back, I tried to get like a glue thing on it to like pull it out, but it just couldn't, it just didn't work. Maybe I haven't got the right kit. So I sort of left it really. I was gonna get somebody in, but it's just hard to find anybody in that can do it properly. So, and there's also a dent at the back. Now, whoever buys it can get their own person to do it. You know, they can call to look. You can look on Google and see if they can get somebody in to do it. But it passed the pits anyway. That passed the inspection pits with that on it, because it wasn't the reason. It wasn't even written off. So it was just put in the auction. Maybe the insurance company put it in, but they didn't put it as a write-off. And then that's it. The other side is, like I said, on this rear door, there's a little scrape mark on it here and down the bottom there. But the wheels have come up really nice, and the tyres are all good on it. So look inside. I've already took some photos of this, so I'm going to put it up on the put it up for sale. I don't know whether to use Marketplace. I don't know. I might try that first. There's a fly there. But it's got this, yeah, someone might want it off Marketplace. It's just, I just hate using Marketplace because of what, you know what you're gonna get, so. But yeah, it's come up really, really clean. Like I said, I've cleaned it up. And yeah, the interior's come up really nice. Let's have a look at the back. Yeah, you can see the seats are really, really nice. Cream, white, like a white cream colour. But that's pretty much it really. So yeah, it's yeah, gonna go for sale now, and if it sells, I'll do another video of what it sold for, and yeah, how much profit was in it really. So I think it was pretty lucky find really. I think on the pictures on the auction it looked worse than it did. So once it's cleaned up and everything, it comes up with, and it drives fantastic, the engine and everything. I drove it 16 kilometers, and had like quarter of a tank of diesel in it, and it's yeah, it drives really well. Good amount of power and everything. So okay, let's flip this round, get out the sun. It was really cloudy today, but the sun's coming out a bit now. So okay, so thanks for watching, and please like this video and subscribe, and I'll be doing more videos like this. And like I said, if it sells, I'll do another quick video to say what the price was and the profits and all that type of stuff. So okay, thanks a lot.